After months of hilarious antics, daring jumps, and heart-melting meows, Whiskers has done it. He has won the prestigious YouTube Golden Play button. With millions of fans around the world, Whiskers has captured hearts and laughter, one paw at a time. Whiskers excitedly taps the award with his paw, making it wobble slightly. His owner, Jake, sits beside him, beaming with pride. "Jake, you did it, buddy. This is all because of you." A true internet legend, Whiskers knows he deserves this moment of glory. Looks like you're not just winning awards, but also some delicious perks. Whiskers, the internet's favorite feline, proves once again that hard work and a little bit of cuteness really does pay off. Congratulations, Whiskers. Keep purring, keep winning.